Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you this dual USB cradle with battery slot for guess what? i9600. Yes, it's for Samsung Galaxy S5. Now let's take a look at this product and see what's in the box. Yeah, you got USB charging dock, and you got one USB charging cable. So now let's take a look at it. It's an USB charging dock with battery charger. This dock supports you to charge your Galaxy S5 and its spare battery together. It's also a desktop holder, will help you free your hands, relax shoulders and neck. You can charge it from PC, laptop, home charger or car charger with a standard micro USB cable. It also supports data sync. And on the underside of the dock you will find a reusable sticky pad, and let's see, it's very sticky, and which will allow you to secure the dock in place. See, it's very firm hold, for perfect for one-handed undocking. So you just use one hand. And at the rear of the dock you will find a standard micro USB port that can be used with either a mains charger or a USB cable. And the high precision model shape will let your phone and battery to be accessed and move out easily without scratches. So check out this data sync dual charger dock cradle for Samsung Galaxy S5 at mpjgadgets.com, and thank you for watching this video.